are 7 names you can call your significant other in Papiamentu for Valentine's Day, which, by the way, translates to Dia di San Valentino. First up, mi dushi. You're probably already familiar with that one, right? Mi dushi translates to sweetheart or honey. Dushi. Second is mi amor, which translates to my love. Third is mi corazón, which translates to my heart. Fourth is mi jage jage, which is my boo, if you translate it to English. Mi jage jage. Fifth is mi stropikakalaka, which is my cockroach syrup. And that's because y'all stick together so nicely. Cockroach syrup. Sixth is mi pretiwowo. Mi pretiwowo, which translates to the apple of my eye. And last but not least, mami or papi. Mami translates to mommy. Papi translates to daddy. But in general, you use that for sweetheart. So mommy is female, papi is male. Don't mix up the two. All right, bye.